You know, you took care of everything that I needed within a few days. And that was really an excellent experience for me. Because in the States, it would have taken weeks to do what you guys did yesterday. Well, you know, I had been to Romania before. I wanted to come back because my first visit to Romania was so much fun. And I had such a great time, and it's such a beautiful country that I wanted to come back. And two, after a little research, I found out that, you know, there's so many great practices here, dental practices. And then I looked for what I thought was going to be the best one. And British dental practices was recommended by a group that I belong to called Expats in Bucharest. And nothing but excellent reviews and comments about the practice. So I made it a point to go with you guys. And that was my decision. And I don't regret it, it was fabulous. I had 4 implants, 1 extraction, 3 cavities filled, and a root canal, which is a lot of work. And I needed all of that. That was the condition that I brought here. And I really appreciate the fact that all of these issues, which my dentist in the United States told me would require, you know, weeks and weeks of care and lots of money, was resolved here in a very short time with some great, wonderful, very compassionate and wonderful professionals at this practice.